Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best car air fresheners that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product link in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Little Trees Hanging Paper Tree in Black Ice, available in a 12-pack. This product is a classic choice for anyone looking to freshen up their vehicle, home, or office space. The Black Ice scent is a bold, masculine blend of citrus and woods, making it a favorite for those who enjoy a crisp, invigorating aroma. When it comes to design, the iconic tree shape is both functional and instantly recognizable. Each freshener is easy to hang, and the scent lasts for up to 30 days, depending on your environment. While this product is simple and effective, it doesn't come with any fancy features like adjustability or refillable options. However, it's a reliable choice for those who value a straightforward air freshener. In terms of performance and value, the 12-pack offers a decent lifespan, especially if you rotate the fresheners strategically. However, compared to some of the more modern options on this list, it may feel a bit outdated in terms of design and versatility. This product is ideal for budget-conscious users or fans of the Little Trees brand who want a no-frill solution for odor elimination. Pros include its affordable price point and globally trusted brand reputation, while the lack of adjustability and limited scent options might be seen as drawbacks. At number 4, we have the Little Trees Fiber Can in Black Ice. If you're looking for an eco-friendly option with a modern touch, this product might be just what you need. The Fiber Can is made from 50% recycled hanging tree fiber, combining sustainability with the brand's signature Black Ice scent. A refreshing blend of citrus and cedarwood. This air freshener is compact and versatile, making it suitable for both vehicles and indoor spaces like laundry rooms or pet areas. Its adjustable lid allows you to control the intensity of the fragrance, and each can lasts up to 60 days under optimal conditions. The robust build ensures that it stays in place and doesn't spill, which is a big plus for those who prefer a mess-free solution. While the Fiber Can scores high on durability and longevity, its higher price per unit compared to traditional hanging fresheners might deter budget-conscious buyers. It's perfect for users who value sustainability and long-lasting scent performance. Pros include its eco-friendly design and adjustable intensity, while cons might be its slightly bulky design and higher cost relative to simpler options. Coming in at number 3 is the Drift Wood Air Freshener Cabana Scent Starter Kit. This product is a game changer in the air freshener market, offering a sleek, minimalist design that magnetically attaches to your car visor. The Cabana scent features a luxurious combination of toasty coconut, bergamot, and cedarwood. It's a perfect choice for those who appreciate subtle, designer-grade fragrances. The craftsmanship of this freshener is impressive. Made from sustainably sourced wood and paired with a metal clip, it's both functional and visually appealing. The scent block is refillable, making this an eco-friendly option that doesn't compromise on style. However, each scent block lasts about 30 days, which is shorter than some other options on this list, and there's a recurring cost for refills. This product is ideal for users who value aesthetics as much as functionality. It's a premium choice for those who want their car interior to reflect a sense of sophistication. Pros include its high-end design and refillable system, while cons are its shorter lifespan and higher upfront cost compared to traditional options. Our runner-up is the Little Trees Vent Wrap in Black Ice. This product stands out for its discreet and innovative design. Unlike traditional hanging fresheners, the vent wrap slides directly onto your car vent blade, blending in seamlessly while providing a steady release of fragrance. The Black Ice scent, a mix of sandalwood, bergamot, and lemon, remains a crowd favorite. Each wrap lasts up to 20 days, and with 16 wraps included in the pack, you're looking at over 300 days of freshness. The Stay Fresh pouches keep unused wraps sealed and ready for use, which is a thoughtful touch. The slim design ensures that airflow isn't obstructed, making it a practical choice for any vehicle. This product is perfect for those who prefer a subtle and modern air freshener that doesn't draw attention. It's also one of the most affordable options on our list, making it a fantastic budget-friendly choice. Pros include its discreet design and long-lasting performance, while cons are its limited scent intensity compared to larger fresheners and the need for frequent replacements. Finally, at number 1, we have the Little Trees Hanging Treat in Black Ice, available in a pack of 24. This product takes the top spot for its unbeatable combination of affordability, performance, and versatility. The Black Ice scent, a rich fusion of sandalwood, bergamot, and lemon, offers a long-lasting and refreshing fragrance that works equally well in vehicles and indoor spaces. The hanging tree design is iconic and practical, allowing you to easily place it wherever you need a burst of freshness. With 24 fresheners in the pack, you're looking at months of consistent fragrance, making this an excellent bulk option for families or frequent drivers. Each freshener lasts around 30 days, depending on usage and airflow. This product is ideal for anyone who wants a reliable and cost-effective air freshener without compromising on quality. It's also great for those who like to stock up and have fresheners ready to go. Pros include its excellent value for money and long-lasting scent, while the only con might be that it lacks the modern aesthetic of some other options on this list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.